Welcome. If you're looking to control who can post stories in your Telegram group after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent a specific admin from posting stories in your group using Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights for the group you want to manage. Next, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll find your groups listed on the left side. Just click on the one you want to adjust. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Then select Manage Group. This will take you to the Group Settings panel where you have full control over permissions and roles. Now, in the Settings panel, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all admins in your group. Scroll through the list and select the admin whose story posting permissions you want to change. After clicking on their name, you'll see a section called Manage Stories. This is where you can control what this admin is allowed to do regarding stories. To prevent them from posting stories, simply disable the Post Stories option. Make sure the toggle is switched off. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the panel. This will update the admin's permissions immediately. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage which admins have the ability to post stories in your Telegram group. This feature helps keep your group's content organized and ensures only trusted admins can share stories with your members. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your Telegram groups efficiently.